Watch this video until the end to know in detail how to hack coins and gems in the latest Family Farm adventure game in 2024, easily and quickly. Safe for your device. Begin. Step 1. Please visit tikimod.com below the screen. Step 2. Search for the game name and click on the icon that appears. Step 3. Follow the system's instructions in order. After completing all of the above steps, restart your phone. Log back into the game and wait a few minutes for us to load resources and you're done. Thanks for watching.